To transfer crypto from Binance to PayPal. First, open Binance. From the bottom, go to Wallet. Here select the crypto one of those that PayPal offers. One of them is Bitcoin, and that's why I use this for example. Tap on the withdrawal option. Now ask to enter Bitcoin address. We have to copy it from PayPal and paste it here. Go to the home page. Open PayPal. From the bottom, go to the Finances tab. Then the Crypto tab. As PayPal offers different cryptocurrencies. For my case I select Bitcoin. Tap on the Transfer button. Choose the Receive option. Copy the wallet address and paste in Binance. Enter the amount. Next. If everything is correct, then tap Withdraw Bitcoin. And we'll be done.